Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Shanaza Redalke. I am from Indonesia Technocrat University, Class Management 23A, NPM 2341192. Here I will explain a little about material, organizational design, and activities. Understanding organization. An organization is a social system consisting of individuals working together in a structured manner to achieve common goals. Jonas 2017 emphasized that organizations have not just about formal structure of hierarchies, but also about the interaction, culture, and process, the connection all members of the organization that achieve of each individual must align with a strategy, goals for the organization to operate effectively. For example, Google has a clear form structure but a culture of innovation and then collaboration foster creativity, rapid decision making, and adaptation to market change. A good organization is able to ally people, technology, and process to achieve efficiency and effectiveness while maintaining flexible in the face of change. Organizational design concept. Organizational design is a strategic process that determines how work is divided, coordinated, and controlled within an organization. The primary goals of organization design are to achieve efficiency, effectiveness, and flexibility. And then efficiency relates to the optimal use of performance, while effectiveness ensures that every activity supports an organization's strategic goals. Flexibility allows organizations to adapt to environmental and technological change. Jonas 2017 encompasses the organizational design four key elements: work specification, inter-until coordination, decision making, centralized of decentralized, and hierarchy or chain of command. For example, manufacturing companies typically emphasize specification and clear hierarchy for efficiency, while technology startups emphasize growth, team coordination, and flexibility. Types of organizational structure. Jonas 2017 divides organizational structure into several main types, each with own characteristic, advantage, and disadvantage. 1. Functional structure. The structure groups jobs based on functions such as marketing, production, and finance. The advantages are high specification, operational efficiency, and centralized procurement management. However, functional structure often reduce flexibility and coordination between departments because each department focuses on its own internal goals. Examples including large manufacturing companies like Toyota or PT Astra International. And then 2. Division structure. The structure groups in the organization based on the product, service, market, or geography requires. And then structure, application focus on specific division needs and rapid response to market change, but leads to duplicate of research and high contact. Example including Unilever with food, beverage, and personal care division across multiple regions. Matrix structure. A matrix structure combines functional and divisional structure. Employees have to separate from the function and from the project or division. The structure is flexible, support cross-project coordination, and maximize research utilize. However, alternative conflict and management complexity can arise. Example, IBM in a global technology development project. And then 4, flat or team structure. This structure has a minimal hierarchy, high autonomy, and emphasizes collaboration. If it's sustainable for structure of creative organization that require rapid innovation, a flat structure promotes direct communication and motivation, but lacks from control and can lead for confusion of responsibility. Example, a technology startup like SpaceX Innovation Division. Organizational activities. Organizational activities are the process on organizational undertake to achieve a goals. Jonas 2017. Groups that achieve activities into 4 main categories. 1. Planning. Planning in the process of establishing objectives, strategies, and operational plans. And then good planning, including environment analysis, identifying opportunities and threats, and formulating short-term and long-term strategies. For example, a global retail company plans market expansion based on customer trend and competitor analysis. And then 2. Organization. Organization involves arranging human, financial, and physical research so that work can be carried out the structured manner. Organization include dividing tasks, establishing departments, forming teams, and establishing communication channels. For example, an e-commerce company from production development, digital marketing, and customer service team so they work together. 3. Leadership and motivation. Leadership and process of leading, directing, and motivation organizational members. Motivation including providing inclusivity, rewards, training, and career development. Efficient leaders are able to create an organizational culture that support collaboration, innovation, in employee management. For example, technology companies for innovation business are flexible work arrangement to increase production. And then 4. Control and evaluation. Control ensures that the organizational activities align with attainable objectives that include performance measurement, interest audit, KPI monitoring, and strategy adjustment when necessary. For example, a logistic company monitor distribution efficiency, delay rates, and customer satisfaction that adjust its operation strategy based on the result. Factor influencing organizational design. Organizational design cannot be separated from the external and internal context. Jonas 2017 example several key factors. 1. External environment. A stable environment allows a formal structure, while a dynamic environment requires high flexibility so that the organization can respond to market, technological, or regulatory change. And then two, technology. The level companies, two types of technology use affect the coordination and specification of work. And then require technology requires standard production will sophisticated technology requires cross-functional according. And then three, organizational size. Large organization typical have a clear hierarchies and formal production to maintain efficiency, while small organizations are more flexibility and informal. And then four, organization strategy. Innovative strategy requires flexible structure, cross-functional teams, and high autonomy, while efficiency and low-cost strategy are more effective with formal structure and clear specification. Okay, challenge in organizational design. Organizational design faces various practical challenges. One of these is balancing centralization and decentralization. Centralization facilitates control but reduces performance, while directionalization increases flexibility but can lead to inconsistency. Cross-departmental coding but is also a challenge because each department has a one priorities adapting to new technology, market change, and government regulator as required a responsive organization design. Jones 2017 emphasized the importance of periodically reviewing and adapting and design to keep the organization relevant and effective. Okay, example of design and activity implementation. Technology startup. A flat structure, cross-functional teams, and decentralized decision making and support rapid innovation. For example, an application development team in a e-commerce startup can make decisions about new feature without waiting for hierarchy approval. And then large manufacturing companies function structure with clear hierarchy and standardized production support product efficiency and consistency. For example, Toyota's spare parts to production quality and distribution departments to optimize production process. And then global companies with the complex project matrix include enable coding across division and function. For example, IBM uses matrix to manage global technology project, allowing functional and project employees to work together. Conclusion: organizational design determines a foundation for operational effectiveness and efficiency. Organizational effectiveness must align with the design to achieve strategy objective. Environmental factor, technology, size, and organizational strategy influence the design choice and choice of organizational structure must balance efficiency, flexibility, and adaptability. Organizations that appropriately design their structure and effectiveness can increase productivity, strengthen coordination, support innovation, and efficiently address environmental change. Okay, thank you for your attention. I will end here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.